If you want to import the contact saved in the iCloud to your iPhone, then let us see how to do it. If I go to my contacts right now, I don't have any number, and if I want to import it from the iCloud, then what I will do is I will go to settings. I will select this option, sign into your iPhone. Then I need to enter the Apple ID. Next, then I need to enter the password for the Apple ID. Next, now I am signing into my iCloud account. Now once I am inside my iCloud account, then what I will do is I will select this iCloud, and then I need to make sure that this contact button is enabled. Right now it is enabled. Now again I will go and check my contact. If I see, now I have all the contact in my iPhone, and these contacts are imported from the iCloud account. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.